Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, businesses need software that streamlines operations, integrates departments, and provides real-time insights. SAP Operations claims to be the number one choice for enterprises. Let's break it down. SAP Operations centralizes finance, supply chain, HR, and procurement in one platform. It provides automation, analytics, and reporting tools that help businesses optimize workflows and make smarter decisions faster. With cloud-based capabilities and scalability, SAP Operations adapts to companies of all sizes while maintaining efficiency and compliance across complex operations. SAP Operations keeps businesses organized, efficient, and ready to scale in a competitive environment. If you want top-tier business process management in 2025, SAP Operations delivers insight, control, and efficiency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.